Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about why your washing machine is making clicking noises and refusing to start and how to fix the issue. Stay engaged until the end of the video to learn about this and more. If your washer is making clicking noises and failing to start, the drainage could be blocked. A washing machine makes clicking noises when something is stuck in the drain. You can follow these steps to check the drain. Start by unplugging the washing machine from the power cord. Pull it forward and remove the drain hose in the back. Carefully inspect the drain for debris like coins, buttons, keys, or plastic pieces blocking the hose. Remove the foreign materials and reinstall the drain hose. Another reason that causes the clicking noise is a faulty door latch. When the door switch is broken or damaged, it makes clicking sounds and refuses to latch properly. That prevents the washing machine from starting a spin cycle. You can fix this issue by following these steps. Refer to your unit's user manual and find the location of the door latch wire connector. Disconnect the wire from the control board, get a multimeter, and set it to the lowest ohm setting. Put the multimeter into contact with the right connectors and observe the reading. The correct reading should be between 50 and 150 ohms. If the reading is continually off, you must replace the door latch or the entire door lock assembly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.